When designing documents, it's important to see how they look with real submission data. With Submission-Based View, you can preview each form response as its own document. I'm Kayla with Jotform, and in this video, I'll show you how to use Submission-Based View in the Jotform PDF Editor to review documents using real submission data. Let's get started. To begin, open your form in the Jotform Form Builder. Once your form is ready, click the Publish tab at the top of the builder. In the left panel, select Quick Share. Click Open in New tab to access the live version of your form. Fill out the form and submit it so we have a real submission to preview. After submitting the form, return to the builder and open the PDF Editor from the top left menu. Inside the PDF Editor, you'll automatically see the submission that was just created. This is the Submission-Based View, where each form response appears as its own document preview. You can move between submissions to see how the document updates based on different responses. This helps you test how the layout behaves with long answers, optional fields, or missing values. By reviewing different submissions, you can fine-tune spacing, structure, and formatting across your document. Use Preview PDF to see the final document exactly as it will appear when exported or shared. And that's how you use Submission-Based View in the Jotform PDF Editor. Review real submission data and make sure your documents stay clean and consistent in every scenario. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.